Hey everybody and welcome back to Life Princess Size with me, Pallavi. So the Shadi season, the festive season is officially here. मैंने कोई कसर छोड़ी है? I think you can tell very clearly that I am very excited about this festive season. It's Durga Puja week already. The Shera is 2 days away. Diwali is 20 days away, and I'm sure you're all going to be going out in your festive best. You're going to be meeting your family and friends, hopefully with all your vaccinations sorted and all precautions in place. And I thought, we're always trying to buy more clothes, and we really need to put a stop to that. So that is why I'm doing 4 different looks with one outfit using just different earrings. So not changing my hair makeup, not changing my outfit, only showing you different styles with different earrings. So before we go ahead, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. So here I have a very small curation of some earrings which will complement this outfit and give you some ideas. So first up, we're going to start with one of my favorite pieces. You can never ever go wrong with Chand Balis. So whenever in doubt, whenever you want to glam up any outfit, Chand Balis are the way to go. So I absolutely love these. I actually got these with a giant tika as well, and I'm gonna give those a miss for my Diwali parties or for my festive outings. And I just want to show you how it looks with this suit. So there we go. That is look 1. This is for your full-on Diwali party. So whenever in doubt, a pair of Chand Balis will last you way longer than a suit will. So if you're not keen on buying a new suit, which you really won't be using very often, invest in a good pair of Chand Balis because they will uplift any outfit instantly. So while we're talking about traditional jewelry, while Chand Balis have a more Mughal influence, if you're trying to embrace the Punjabi in you, you can never go wrong with Peepal Patra jewelry. Now this is a traditional style of jewelry from Punjab. Peepal Patra literally means the leaf of a peepal tree. So let me show you how these look. All right. So they're very, very lightweight. So when you're partying day after day, you really want to give your ears some rest, but you don't want to down your glam quotient, do you? So Peepal Patra is an excellent option for that. As you can see, it's a huge look difference already from the Chand Balis. These are a little more modern version of traditional Peepal Patra jewelry, and I absolutely love how they will make any outfit look sleek yet traditional. And if you want your focus to be on your outfit or you want to do something very minimal, I love these semi-precious stone earrings from Fab India, in fact. They're very delicate and very pastel, so they go with most of my wardrobe. So if you're also a pastel fan like I am, these are a great option. They're delicate, they're very lightweight once again, gold-plated with semi-precious stones, and I think they just look very, very elegant. They're very understated, and they're just that right amount of bling for an intimate party. So you don't have to go all out every time. Just a little small statement piece, little something there, and you should be good to go. And now coming to the most offbeat, modern, eclectic kind of piece are these beautiful mirror earrings from Isharya. Isharya is one of my favorite brands for artificial jewelry that you can carry for all your beach weddings without any tension. They look fabulous in my opinion. These earrings can go absolutely perfectly with any Western or Indian outfit, which is why I think they make for a great investment. You don't limit yourself, and you can literally pair this with a little black dress or a lehenga or a suit like this for your Diwali functions. You know me by now, you know I'm a sucker for anything geometric, abstract, and these tick all the boxes for me. So that was a short roundup of different earring options that you can include in your wardrobe, things that you can invest in rather than investing in new clothes that may go out of season or you may not fit into them, or you just don't want to add more kabar to your closets. So I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like any more suggestions, and we'll be back with lots more very soon. Thanks for tuning in. I'm leaving the links in the description down below.